Okay, so I'm back, and in the previous segment we were talking about daily phenomenon. So things that change during the course of a night. Now we want to talk about monthly phenomenon. How things change over the course of 1 month. And the way that we know that a month has passed is because that the moon has gone through its phases. So sometimes when you look at the moon, it's completely dark. Sometimes it's completely lit up. Sometimes it's half and half, and so we want to know why. So, watch this video, Moon Phases Demonstration, on YouTube. So, it's an elementary school teacher, and it would be how she would explain phases of the moon to her students. So, go ahead and watch that. I'll wait. Okay? So did you watch that video? I hope you did. So remember, you can always put me on pause and then watch the video and then come back. So what did you learn from that video? Well, one thing is that the moon, half of the moon, is always lit up. So as the sun, we'll pretend that this is the sun over here, is shining on the moon, half of the moon is always going to be lit up, and then the side of the moon where the sun's not shining is always going to be dark. So then how does it appear that it is changing which parts are bright and which parts are dark? It has to do with our viewing angle here on Earth. So in the previous segment we were talking about daily phenomenon and said that it was caused by the spin of the Earth. So this time, what is it that's causing the phases of the moon? It's not the spin. This time it would be the orbit of the moon as it goes around the Earth. Okay, so let's pretend that here is the sun will be over here, and then the Earth is here, and then the moon is over here. So the sunlight is going to light up the moon. So this is going to be a full moon. It's all lit up. Okay, then as the Earth or the moon orbits over to here, from your viewing angle, you're looking in this direction towards the moon, you're going to see a half and half. And then as the moon orbits over to here, now you're not going to be able to see the moon clearly because it's all in shadow. And then when it goes over to here, it's going to be half and half again. So it's kind of an optical illusion again, because half of the moon is always lit up. It's just our viewing angle that is changing that makes it look like it goes through those phases. All right, so that's month to month changes. And then in our next segment, we're going to talk about how do things change on a yearly basis.